Welcome to Whada Gravy. Watermelon rind forms the bulk of the melon, is completely edible, healthy and tasty too. This is the rind from one small watermelon. Many times, the green skin from the rind is removed and only the white portion is used for the preparation. You can do that, but the skin is totally edible and I am preparing this recipe along with the skin. This works well if it is an organic produce. For this quantity of watermelon, one medium-sized and half a small onion is required. Chop the onions fine. Meanwhile, heat a pan. Add 3 teaspoons of cold-pressed sesame oil. When the oil becomes hot, add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. When it starts sputtering, add 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek or methi seeds and half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. To this, add the finely chopped onions, stir, and add some curry leaves. Reduce the flame. While the onions are getting fried, cut the rind into 1-inch cubes. The green skin also gives an extra texture and crunch to the dish. Once the onions turn pinkish, add the chopped watermelon rind. Stir. Watermelon rind is a very good source of vitamins A, C, B6, K and also magnesium. They also contain significant levels of the amino acid citrulline, which helps relax blood vessels, lower blood pressure and combat fatigue. It also helps stimulate the immune system and helps fight cancer. Close with the lid. Keep stirring now and then. When the rind turns translucent, add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 tablespoon Sambhar powder. Mix well. If you do not have Sambhar powder, you can use half a tablespoon of dhania powder and half a tablespoon of red chili powder. Close and fry on a low flame until the raw smell goes. To this, add 4 cups of water. Close and allow it to boil until the rinds are well cooked. While it is boiling, to prepare a fresh masala for the gravy, heat another pan, add a few drops of oil. Add 3 tablespoons of tur dal. This is unpolished tur dal. Fry for a while and add 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds and 1 tablespoon of chana dal. Fry and add 7 red chilies. These are hot chilies. Fry for a while and add 2 green chilies. Chilies can be adjusted as per taste. Switch off the stove. Add the fried spices to a mixer jar. Add 1/4 cup of grated coconut and pulse for a few seconds. Add some water and grind to a fine paste. To this, add 2 roughly chopped tomatoes and grind. I'm going to prepare idlis to go with this gravy. Add water to an idli steamer and switch on the stove. The idli batter was made in the morning and has nicely fermented now. Mix the batter. Pour the batter onto a wet cloth-lined idli tray. Place in the steamer and close the lid. The watermelon rind has nicely cooked now. You can also cook the watermelon rind by steaming. Now add the required amount of salt, 1 tablespoon of thick tamarind extract, and the ground masala paste. Add the water from washing the mixer jar. Allow the gravy to boil. Check for salt and tamarind and add if required. Garnish with coriander leaves and switch off the stove. Open the idli steamer. The idli is also done. Remove the idlis. Sprinkle some water to prevent the cloth from sticking to the idlis. Invert onto a plate. Our steaming hot idlis are ready. Serve on a plate with a hot, spicy watermelon rind gravy. This gravy can also be had with dosa, puris and chapathi. Drizzle some warm ghee on the hot idlis. And enjoy hot. If you enjoyed watching the video, press the like button and subscribe to keep posted on more such recipes. Thank you for watching. Would love to hear from you.